Hey people, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to close apps on Android. For this, tap on this three line option here or icon here. Then you can see all of your apps are here. Then just swipe up and you can close your apps from here. Just swipe up and you can tap on clear all and you can close all of your app from here. Tap on clear all and you can successfully clear all apps or close all apps. So yeah, that's the easy process of close apps. Hope this video helped you. If you did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.